States, we are currently in, where are we, babe? Colchester, yeah. In the UK, you get me? And I have a special guest for you all. My one and only. Really? What am I doing? See? What I have to do it every day. So that's my man. My man. Babe, come introduce yourself. I will.
Alright. Yeah, so introduction. Salutations everyone. My name is Bobo. You can call me Chef Eds, you can call me Blacker. I go by a lot of names. Yeah, and that's my baby girl. I know she's blushing, but yeah, she's my baby girl proper. So nice meeting you all. Bye bye. I need to blow all the
So guys, today we have like a couple of activities to do. Where are we going, babe? He doesn't know where we're going.
I have no idea, but
Come on.
we're going
To the zoo.
Colchester town to explore. I mean, we're exploring the countryside of Essex, innit? So we'll be doing a little visit to like the
I want to go to the zoo and then the castle and then like some other places, right, babe?
Yes, okay. But yeah, we're starting from Colchester town, go to Southend, go to Chelmsford, visit like the nice sceneries around. And yeah, that's basically it. Stay tuned.
We're bringing you guys with us, and we're gonna do OOTD, right, babe?
Of course.
Kiss. Mwah! Yeah!
Oh, blushing.
Okay guys, a quick OOTD before we leave. So my cap is from Shein, my top is from Shein, then my jeans, I'll show you guys later. Bye. Yeah, what do you have? Ah!
A Tottenham Tech Fleece.
Okay.
I've got a CPFM Nikes.
Alright.
My jewelries are from SV Jewelries, London. I don't know where I got this from. And I've got my dry fit beanie Nikes. That's it. Simple,
Okay, now
clean.
my turn. Come this way.
Bigger
Okay,
than
so
the president.
my jeans are from Shein too.
Jeez,
And then my sneakers,
that's
Reebok
Reeboks.
from TJ Maxx. Yeah, so yeah, that's it.
Did you get a top?
From Shein.
Yeah. You're looking next.
Thank you.
Go back a bit.
Yeah, so we're on our way. Bye bye. Thank you.
Hello.
Hiya. How are you guys? Good?
Oh, thank you. Yeah, it's not far.
How long does she come down for?
Just a week.
Oh, just a week.
Yeah, so
Long flight though, isn't it?
6 hours. Was it a long flight for you?
Yeah. Yay.
Right, thank you. So, what are we doing now?
I don't know.
Getting food.
Yeah.
Getting food.
This place is so cute. So where are we going?
Follow me. We're in a hike.
Really? You won't even hold my hand. Hey, Jesus. I won't hold your hand again.
I feel like you're tour guide now still.
Yeah, because you are. Anyway.
I don't even know.
Oh, they have Wendy's.
Mm-hmm. No, really. Really. Really.
Really?
Really.
Really?
In the mountains.
So guys, where are we going, babe?
We're in Colchester town centre now, High Street.
Ekope bibi edi. Asana ya coaching.
Yeah,
So
just exploring.
yay.
So I think this is where High Street starts.
Okay. Yeah, it's pretty. So where are we going? High Street.
We come back and we get some like shit. Let me tap. Sorry. I think what?
Oh, I like my view. Babe. You're so handsome. Baby, I am baby, I am my boss say when him baby I go, but he doesn't even know. Brand baby, you are not.
What?
You don't know where we are going, babe.
Because I'm new here as you. This is my first time. So I just
So should we get back?
no, why?
Oh, aren't you cute?
I know. Like the roads are very narrow.
Uh-huh. That's my man.
Kim. Yes. Oh shit. Should we
Oh,
go
baby.
Nando's?
Eh? Nando's. And this is it.
Got 4 burgers.
It's a couple of it. And they are coming to me.
That bike is free.
No, that's not bad. It's okay.
So I'm wearing
But
Nike
I
and
had
giving me
yet
an Adidas bag. That's it, my dripping Nike from head to toe. She's giving me an Adidas bag.
I said hold it. It's not adding. I said what status man.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
Let me
that's
go
fine.
to the shop, get something.
So this boy got me alcohol.
What
And I
do
was
you mean?
babe, it's alcohol. Literally
that's awesome.
12 p.m. Me did it alcohol say appetizer. Really?
Yeah.
12. Baby, and now cry. We don't even know. Use the
Don't
map.
stop. See, listen.
Babe,
Cut-
you don't
cut
know.
that
I'll
shit.
cut anything.
Cut that shit. What do you mean we don't even know?
Babe, you don't.
We're in Colchester and you say we don't even know where we are.
Where are we going?
Just say
We're
we
supposed to go
don't
to
know
the.
what to eat. Don't say we don't know.
We don't know what to use. I'm missing my
Use
bag.
them.
How is
Okay.
it?
Let me take you Nando's.
Am I Nancy?
I just think
He doesn't want me to put his business out there. I'll put your business out there. Oh my auntie, missing me the beggar. We say okay. After that, my auntie, yeah, I'm out of breath. So we finally decided to do Wendy's because we don't know what to
Burger
eat.
King. Burger King. No.
Now where is Burger King?
They're on the same street.
Now coming them y'all. So my man is getting us food. I'm just a girl. I'm just a girl. I'm sorry.
At your service, Mom.
Thank you, babe. Oh.
Got some paper towels. Oh shit. Bon appetit. Right. Try this one.
Which one?
That one. Shit. Colchester, man.
Like the burger is actually good. Like it's more seasoned, I think, than the one in America. So I'm gonna rate this like 8.5. How about you, babe?
I mean, I eat this every time, so everything is bland. So
It's nice.
I eat it all the time, so yeah. 6.5.
You eat it all the time, and I'm rating it 6.5. Wow, solid 8. So guys, we are going to the zoo. See my perfect gentleman. Thank you, babe. We're here, guys. We are at the zoo. Trying to look for the entrance. So yeah. To go there. Tour guide or something.
Well, I'm your tour guide.
Okay, boy. Guys, we at the zoo. I think it's this way, right? I'm gonna pass this way. Thank you. Babe, I said open this for me.
I told you I don't think you can drink it here. Then. Should have
Why?
drank it a long time ago.
No, fashion. That is so huge.
That's the animals we're looking at, the statues.
No, we came here for animals. We're gonna get animals.
See? Okay, let's follow them up then.
Okay.
Okay.
It's the toga.
That's the monkeys.
The monkeys.
Monkeys, you're looking at one. See, well, first of all, don't be saying like stuff.
Okay. Adri, Anana Adri.
Both head capuchin. Both headed capuchin.
It looks scary. Where's so? It's safari. Lion Rock. No, let's go down that part. Yeah. Yeah. Which bed? Oh. Now, what bed? Oh. Oh. Just only one. Okay.
Let's go that way.
Birth of the rising sun. Oh. Scary movie.
Only not okay.
That was scary. Story of Jojo. I don't know.
Serious, man.
He's hiding.
No. Ben Owen. I'm say bad bitch hard to bad nigga hono. Akatte. Yeah? Oh, it's out. Oh, look at that. Oh. Yeah, I'm calling out bad name, Johnny. Babe, that looks like you. It looks like you. I thought you were here. What is that? Oh, what is that?
Fingers. Is it? Yeah, his fingers. Who's the ear uncle for Zola? Yeah, of course, yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, Cuban.
Mommy.
Did you know all spider monkeys have long?
Spider monkey. Who's the spider monkey?
Really?
Ben 10.
Oh yeah.
Spider monkey. Who's that spider monkey?
We don't have to go and see them.
She got that
Yeah. Anyway.
everywhere. We pay.
Now more no more here. And I don't know. Wrong place. I went to see the lions and I'm like, oh. The rising.
I'm gonna get this big one called
As long as they.
That's cute.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
monkey.
So weird looking.
What the hell?
Weird looking.
No, it's here. Yeah. What's the name, babe?
I have no idea. No, oh shit. I don't know. They're just monkeys. Sprout monkeys.
They're huge. Getting a massage.
See their faces?
Let me see. Oh, that's so pretty. Babe, look at this one. It's the big ones. Is that a whale? A whale. Babe, this is so pretty. I feel like a mermaid. That's so pretty. Great white shark.
That's how like the ocean bed looks like.
Not shark in a way. Dolphin. What's
That's
this? Fishing fat.
Fishing, that's what it looks like.
Crabbing. Octopus. And I watched your Mario one as in squid. I'm away.
That's the way we came.
I want to see the lions, babe. What is this? Feathers. Should we check that out?
What's in there?
I don't know. Hey, I didn't have been corn. This is Finding Nemo. Oh, here. Is that bird?
That's bad,
Seconds behind I will see it back. Bears no way.
Look up, look up, look up. Try and look up. Okay, so I'm your cameraman for today, yeah?
Guys, so pretty.
Yeah. So a fish tank.
Red fish.
Red fish, yeah. How should they go?
Good. Surprisingly good. The animals also.
Surprisingly, yeah? Really? So you thought it
That's
would be boring or
Tinga.
what?
Oh, tiger.
You thought it would be boring?
Maybe.
Why would you say surprisingly good?
I don't know.
Because
I didn't think the zoo would be zooming.
great.
I didn't think the zoo would be zooming. Like, maybe they have animals, but they don't have animals. Do you understand? Like, yeah, but they actually do have some
I
animals.
told you, let's come to the zoo.
You see, I told you.
tiger. Zebra tiger.
Go on.
Oh, there's a tiger right here.
Got your tiger. a tiger.
Then as we go across, right in front of us is the Aardvark Burrow. Colchester Zoo being the first zoo in the UK to successfully breed aardvarks in captivity. And we have had 14 birds seen that. With that number, we still lead the way. The number 14 was named Rue. She's still here, along with Mum and June. And just recently, they've been joined by a 6-year-old male named England. And as we head back into the station, a reminder to...
I want to see the elephant.
The elephant's inside.
Inside where? Let's go back.
We'll go back where?
I don't know.
Oh shit!
Oh, that is huge. Thank you.
It's a big one. That's dead. Cut that big one.
Yeah, he's the king of the jungle.
Because he's sitting up.
Yeah.
Come on, man. She was king of the jungle.
Boomba.
Yeah.
I didn't say it again.
No Boomba. No Boomba. Oh, you know Boomba.
No.
Lion King
Oh, the Lion King. The pig and then the... Oh. The smell.
Stinky.
Boomba. Is it Boomba or
When
Boomba?
he was a young water.
And you see, like this, I don't want to talk my business. Business. Your YouTube. But look at that.
Hello. Come on. If anything.
That's a barbarian. Macaque.
Hey, Dean Bannon. So I go for in round the coin.
Pizza, please.
Man, enough for fun. They count away. Okay, back in here. So I am here 3. Now we're there, Chiamayana. Hey, boy.
That's the giraffe. No, it's bar combo. Come this way. Look at the rhinos. Go on.
Okay, guys, we're going now.
Zoom in. To mommy and daddy.
Look at the zebra.
Where's the zebra? Oh, right there.
Look at the ostrich.
Why would you say something like that?
Look at my shit and things.
Oh. Hey, almost soon. Where did So how do they get these things?
I don't know. They buy them in it. Like they get them from Africa.
Oh,
yeah.
So they belong to us.
You see how like this small Leo, I know there's Mari, there's Gloria. Gloria is the hippo.
Do your own. Babe, it's like this.
Oh, okay. Like
To
that.
make love. Oh. My fastest monkey. Okay. Maybe you're the same by Ivana. So unfortunate. Hey, me who want punch at you?
You know, say, like if I do that sound and they say, they'll be like,
Africa.
Babe, stop. Hey, Coffee Yankee. Hello. Hello. What's the madam for me, Pam?
full video, you look beautiful. I'm on fair.
Okay, guys. I think we are done. Like, Yako babe, yeah. Right, babe? Yeah. So, you go here. We're going back to the hotel. So, yeah.
Tomorrow we go Chelmsford and Southend.
So this is day 1. Hi, Eva.
Colchester Zoo.
Yeah.
Just say it.
Colchester Zoo. Like I don't know how to say it. Thank you guys for watching my video. We'll see you.
We'll see you on the next episode, yeah?
Bye bye bye.